Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will take the classification of IP address now. Okay, Arfat, hello.
Yes, sir.
Last class ka recording I'll send it to you. Hmm? You are
Okay,
not
sir.
present
Thank you.
last time, right? I'm
Yes,
sending
sir.
the recording to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so just quickly review. So IP address has got two parts, network part and host part. Network part is fixed, host part is changing always. All right.
Yes, sir.
There are two versions of IP address, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is 32-bit, IPv6 is 128-bit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So fixed part, network part, and changing part is called host part. And we have seen the purpose of subnet mask. Why do we require a subnet mask? What is the job of subnet mask?
First of all, just to reduce the
Subnet mask.
oh,
To tell
for
us
the
which part is fixed part and which part is changing part.
Very good. It will tell us which part is fixed part and which part is
Okay,
changing
yeah.
part. Anything above 0 is the changing part. Anything above 1 will be the fixed part.
fixed part.
So, and you have learned how to convert decimal to binary, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this 255, if you convert to binary, what do you get? When you convert 255 to binary, what do you get?
All ones. 255, right?
Hmm.
All ones.
All ones you get. 8 times 1 you get. Correct. Right.
Right, thanks. Sir.
Yeah. So now, so we know that there are four octets, or the IP address looks like this. It is something dot say 192.168.13.68, for example. So there are four octets. Each is 8 bits, right?
Hmm.
And you know that 1 byte is equal to how many bits? 1 byte is how many bits?
One byte, it's
1000 kilobytes.
1000 kilobytes. Oh my God.
100 bits.
100 bits.
And
My God. 1 byte is how many bits?
oh, I thought you were talking about megabyte.
1 byte. Yes. 1 byte is how many bits? You're Googling, I think.
No, sir. I
1
think
bit.
32 bits.
32 bits. Bapre. I thought I was asking a very silly question. 1 byte is 8 bits. Rico. 1 byte is equivalent to 8 bits. One byte is equivalent to 8 bits. 1 byte is equivalent to 8 bits. Yeah. Sanjay, you didn't know that? Sanjay? Arfat?
No, not really.
So
Sir,
you
I
can say
had idea, but I was not sure.
what you, Brian.
Actually, I was confused.
Yes.
But 1 byte is equivalent to 8 bits. Remember that. So you can say that your IP address has got four bytes. So the IP address has 4 bytes, or you can say 4 octets. First byte defines the IP address. It defines the class of the IP address. Defines the class of the IP address.
बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स ही होती है मोस्टली ना उसके बाद क्या आते हैं अक्सर या क्लच मास
Hello.
एक्सीडेंटली फेल हो गया क्लच जो एक फ्री हो गया
क्या किसका आवाज आ रहा है?
Sorry.
First byte defines the class of the IP address. So if first byte is between 1 to 126, it is class A. If it is 128 to B.
192.
And 192 to
223.
2 to 3 is
Plus
class C. Okay. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So first byte determines the class of the IP address always. And depending on the class, the subnet mask also changes. So for example, go to yeah. So if I take any computer from here, guys can see everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Like this. IP configuration. So suggest me any class A IP address.
10.1.1.
Yes. Arfat, can you suggest some IP address of class A?
192.
Class A.
115 dot
What is the range for class A?
1 to 126.
The first byte should be what? 1 to 120, first byte.
Oh,
First
okay.
byte is important here.
Okay.
So what it will be?
Then
So can it
one
be
dot
115 point?
Yeah, take anything from that range. First byte should be between 1 to 126, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what it will be?
You can
1
take
to
111.132, thing like that.
okay, 1 dot anything,
132.
132.89.200, for example, right? So when I do this, it automatically understands it's a class A. So if I click here on subnet mask, see what happened. See what is the default subnet mask here?
255.0.0.0.
Yeah, 255.0.0.0, like that it is. Immediately you get this.
Yeah.
But why this
Okay.
0 and 0 and 0 occur?
So here, so when you look at this subnet mask, Ritik, can you tell me which is the fixed part, which is the changing part according to this?
Fixed part.
Ritik, I'm asking Ritik.
Okay, sorry.
Ritik, can you tell me which is fixed part and which is changing part? Ritik,
The fixed part should be 111 and the
correct.
change and the changing part is 132.89.200.
Correct. Right. So this is the fixed.
But my question is why is
This whole thing is the
0.0.0
changing
is
part.
happening?
Sorry?
But my question is why 255.0.0.0 is occurring? Why 0.0 is here?
This is a default subnet mask. The system identifies it's a class A, and for class A, this is the default subnet mask, which will automatically come. So in class A,
Class.
always one byte is network part and 3 bytes is host part.
Okay.
Okay. So depending on the class, the default subnet mask. Default means something which comes by itself. That is called as default. Something by which comes by itself automatically. That is default. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, everybody is clear about this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sanjay, Arfat,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes.
Kev. Mhm. Kev, Kev, are you there? Hmm. All right. Now let's take the class B address. We'll take the class B address now. So what is the range for class B? What is the range for the class B?
The rate is 128 to 191 to class B.
Yeah, so suggest me any number for class B.
135.
135. Okay, 135. 5 point. Anything we can take like this. Okay. So let's see what is subnet mask for this. So this is the default subnet mask. So if you take any class B IP address, the default subnet mask is this.
Sir, but I couldn't understand why हमने पहले देखा था तो 255.0.0.0 but here is 255.255.0.0.
By itself it came.
तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेट होगा कि कौन सा होस्ट पार्ट होगा कौन सा नेटवर्क
हाँ,
पार्ट होगा
क्लास के हिसाब से
तो इसमें कोई नंबर्स का रोल नहीं है
नहीं, क्लास के हिसाब से क्लास इसमें सबनेट मास्क के हिसाब से फिर कितने होस्ट कितने कंप्यूटर्स आप लगा सकते हैं वो भी डिपेंड करता है ना. How many computers you can attach to that particular network, that also happens there. ओके, तो ये समझ में आया ना आपको?
Yeah.
तो इसमें नेटवर्क पार्ट कौन सा, फिक्स पार्ट कौन सा, चेंजिंग पार्ट कौन सा, कैफ कैन यू टेल मी? कैफ, हाँ कैफ, आई कांट हियर यू.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
Our fixed part will be 135.45 and the changing
Correct.
part will be 112.100.
Correct. So anything above 0 is changing part, right? So 112.100 is the changing part and 135.45 is the fixed part. Clear? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the default subnet for class B. Similarly, if I take class C, let's take any IP address for class C now. So what is the range for class C? The first byte for class C. What is the range?
192.2223.
1?
92.2223.
Yeah, so take any number from there.
101.
1?
201.
Okay, 201 point. Rest you can take any number. So just look at this default subnet mask. 255, 255, 2550. Which is the host part, Arafat?
Sir, it's 201.55.223.
That is what? Host part.
Yeah, the set part.
It's a fixed part, the network part.
Yeah.
201.55.223 is the network part and 14 is the host part.
Correct.
Getting me?
Yes, sir.
So 201.55.223 is the fixed part and 14 is the changing part. All right. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sanjay, getting? So this is a default subnet
Yes,
mask.
sir.
Automatically system understands and it gives you the default thing, whatever is
Okay.
there. Okay.
Yes, got it.
Then
I think we're
okay,
about
so
to
we have
class
seen
B.
class A, class B, and class C, right?
Yes.
Now so again revisit that. If you see class A, 8-bit is the network part, right?
Yeah.
And 24-bit is the host path. So 24 bits can change. So if you see the mathematics, it is 2 raised to 24 minus 2. How many combinations you can have? How many unique combinations you can have? 2 raised to 24, which is 16 million. 167777214. Why minus 2 we'll see in a bit. We'll check why it is minus 2. We'll check in some time. Okay, so 24-bit is the host part, means 2 raised to 24, which is 167777214. That is how it is, right?
Is the maximum number of hosts.
Maximum number of hosts is this. Is this clear now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Similarly, 1616 here. In class B, 16-bit is the network part, 16-bit is the host part. So in class B, how many maximum hosts you can have? 2 raised to 16. Minus 2 again, we'll see why. So 65,534 hosts. And class C, 2 raised to 8. Because 24 bits is the network part, fixed part. 8-bit can change. So 2 raised to 8 minus 2, which is 254. Clear?
Yeah.
So class A is the biggest network. It can, how many hosts you can have in this?
16 million.
Around 16 million hosts. Class B is a middle size, which can have 65,000 hosts around. And class C is the smallest, which can have 254 hosts. Is it understood by everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any questions? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, so write it down. Just make a note of it. I'll just come in a minute. Okay, so I think this much is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now we have class D and class E also. We'll see in a bit what it is. So before that, if you remember last time I taught you what is public network and what is private network. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Sanjay, can you tell me what is public network and what is a private network? Sanjay?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm just trying to recollect it actually.
Hmm. Kev, you tell me what is a public network and what is a private network?
I remember now actually.
Tell.
So we had discussed, let's say, we're using I have a few computers in my, I'm using them at home, or I just have a private office. So those would be, those would be like, I would call them, see, I actually remember the concept, but I'm unable to differentiate. You had given us an example the other day. Just trying to remember that example.
Okay, Kev, you tell me. आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा Kev. If you're speaking something, it's cracking a lot. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, Kev, tell me.
Public network is basically the WAN, wide area network, which refers to the mobile network or telephone network. And the
No, I
private
asked
network,
you public network and private network. I asked you this question.
private network, many computers connected in the private network are in offices, on premises,
What?
on premises, which are connected on the offices, basically the land.
आपका आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रहा है, बहुत लो आ रहा है आपका आवाज.
To the network,
Hello. Yes, Ibrahim, can you tell me what is public network versus private network?
Yeah, public network is simple. That is the internet network. And private network, that is the, you can say, LAN network, which
Office network,
office network. Yes.
corporate network, office network.
Yeah.
Okay. So we discussed that public network is nothing but internet. There's only one public network. सबका मालिक एक है. Okay.
Yeah.
I told you that, right? Getting everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am. Yes.
So public network is just one, which is internet. And private network, the network that we use in offices and the network that we use at home, that's called as private network. All right?
All right.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Public network and private network. Public network is something which is internet, and private network is something which we use in home and offices. That's
Yeah.
private network. All right?
Yeah. All right.
Hmm. Okay, so now प्रतीक को बोला कि सर पूछ रहे कि फीस का क्या हुआ करके फीस ट्रांसफर करो बोले.
Yes.
Okay, now so which IP addresses we can use for private network, that we have to say, and what we can use for public network. So now look at this. You know the class is, you can see the screen or not? Everybody
No,
can see
sir.
the screen. Okay. Okay. And now you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
So class A, you know, the first byte is 1 to 126. But if it starts from 10, number 10, it is a private network. The rest all are public. They are reserved for public. So if you want to make a class A network, you should always start with number 10. Okay? Is this clear to everyone?
Yeah.
So these range, which is shown here for private, it is free to use. We don't have to take any permission, any license. And these are the only addresses which we should use while building a private network. So when building a private network, we should always use only these IP addresses and nothing else. Class C is this, starting from 192. So class A, number 10. So whenever you want to build any private network class A, then you have to start from number 10. And whenever you want to build uh, class B network, then you have to, what is the allowed range for class B network?
128 to 191.
172.16 to 172.31, like that.
Okay.
So 172.16, 172.17, 172.18, up to 172.31 is your class B. And your class C will start from 190 to 168, always. Anything starting from 190 to 168 is a
Class C.
class C network. So this is the rule. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is how it is going to help.
In class B, we can have 15 different networks, right?
Hmm?
In class B, if you use the private range,
Huh.
we can have 15 different networks.
15.
Yes. Because
Yeah. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, up to 31, right? Like this.
and if in this we can have uh, one till 352 till 255 till 250 till 254.
Which one?
In class C,
Mhm.
we can have 254 networks, different networks.
Yeah, because this is star here, no?
Yeah.
0 to 255 if you go.
Mm.
256 networks you can have.
Mm.
But just remember that we have to use this range.
Yeah,
That's it.
Yeah.
That much you have to keep in the mind, nothing else.
Yeah.
Only that much you have to keep in the mind, nothing else. All right. So class A, B, C is the first byte is 1 to 126, B is 120 to 191, C is 192 to 222 like this. Clear?
Yeah.
But in that, in those, this is the complete range. But in that, number 10 is for
It's
class A,
Private.
private.
Mm.
And 172.16 till 172.31 is for private class B, and for class C, 190 to 168. Okay, everyone clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
Now, so what I want you to do now is, I want you to make a class B network. One will be 172.16, other will be 172.17, and then connect with the help of router. Can you do that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Everybody got what is to be done?
So one will be the 172 to 16, another one.
172.17, like this. So I'll just write down here, just a second. Notepad I'll put. Build a class B networks, right? Which are those networks? 132.16 dot star means you can put anything there. 255.255.0.0. Another network will be 172.17 dot star and 255.255.0.0 like this. Okay. हेलो। हाँ नमस्कार नमस्कार, बोलिए बोलिए। और बिल वापस से मुझे भेज दो ना एक बार, बिल खाली। हाँ कर दो।
सर अभी वो डेटाबेस में इमेज सेव करने का ये क्या?
पूरा है क्या?
हाँ सर।
गुड।
हाँ
Who will share the screen? Hello? Anyone who will share the screen?
Sir, I am.
Okay, share the screen. And do it as a group exercise first if you want to.
Hello everyone.
Ah,
So I have put this in this PC
hmm.
and this to this PC,
Okay.
and same thing 3 to 36, 3 to 37 to this.
Show me the IP. The other side. Other side, I said, other side.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so what is the issue?
No, sir. I just want to know what to do ahead. Is a router may
Router may you put the IPs, no?
of the switch
You can
or the
172, 172.16.1.1 you can put for the first interface and make it on.
16?
16, no, same network part. One interface will be from for one network, other interface will be for the other network. Ibrahim, tell them you have done that.
Yeah, please.
Help him. I'll just come. Ibrahim, can talk, please. I want everybody to do it. Sanjay and Arfat, are you guys doing it?
Yes, sir. Trying.
Okay, great.
Yes, Manoj. My laptop actually just rebooted, so I'm just putting it back on. So till then, I've
Yeah,
already made a note of what IP address I want to give it. So the moment it comes back on, I'll just give it the IP address.
yeah, Ibrahim will help. Come on, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are giving you 17. Okay, can you just
Yes, sir.
yeah, you okay? Go ahead, friend. Okay, just remember just to put the router on or the Ethernet. You have to put it on
Yes, sir.
from up. Yes. Now go to other one also. Okay. 16.2. Okay. Again, show the IP address of routers. Again, please.
First
Yes,
one, the IP
16.2.
address, this one for this,
Okay, yeah.
and the 01 is this,
Yeah, you are right. You are right. Absolutely
this
right.
one.
Fine, yes, fine. Now go to each computer and you have to give the gateway. Remember to give the gateway to the computer. You have nothing to do in switch. Yeah, give the gateway. Here, which gateway you can give? You're supposed to give? You remember, yeah.
The
172
network one
dot.
would be the same one.
Yeah. It will be the gateway will be the IP address of router. Remember this. IP address of router
Okay.
from the same network. To which one did you do on did you put in? Okay, go there again. Yeah. You remember pass is MS 0/0, just check that.
It should be a different one from the computer, right?
Yeah, it should be different from the computer, absolutely. This you see this IP address, this you have to put it on the left side network as a gateway.
Okay.
Yes, right. Now put your IP address. Put your IP address up. 172.16.225. Fine. Okay. This is fine. Now go to other one, other PC. Put the gateway. Yeah, fine. Okay. Now go to other ether, another one. Yes. This is okay. 3.40. Okay. Go with this. Go here. Okay. Fine. Yeah, exactly. Good job, friend. Now you can ping normally. Desktop, desktop. Close this, close this. Yeah. Now ping. No, 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 no. Check what you are typing. Check out what you are typing. You are just being in the same computer. Ping the other computer. You are pinging. You're supposed to ping PC3. Again, do ping. 172 dot not 16. 17, 17, 170, 172, 17. Ping other PC on other network.
Of other one, okay.
Yeah, fine. Now it's pinging properly. Correct. What about other guys? Finish or not yet?
Almost done.
Okay, almost done. Can you just share your screen, please?
Sure, yes. Okay, so
All right, fine. But there is one thing, brother.
Okay.
You have to use two switch because now putting a router in such a network, it's of no use.
Okay.
This router, it should be connected or make a connection between two switches.
Okay.
So now, till here you are fine. Now you made one side network. Make another side network, which is supposed to be, yes, make another side. Okay.
So I'll just do one thing. I'll change the IP address of this computer.
Yeah. You can remove it totally, no problem. If you use only one PC, that will be enough. Just,
Okay.
yeah. Or
So I'll
yes.
just,
Hmm.
shall I change it to, do I need to change the class?
Change the class. No, you only now here, if you want to, this will be in the same network or you want to shift it to other network which you are going to make now.
Yeah, shift it to another one.
Shift it to another one. Now you have to change this. I think the first one is dot 16, right? It's 172.16,
Correct.
right? The first one.
Correct, yes.
So the IP address will remain same because the other one will be 172.17.
Okay, 17,
Don't
which is
leave it
okay.
17 as it is.
Okay.
Just now change the connectivity from the previous network to the new network. It's fine. Leave it like this. No problem. This is fine.
It's not closing. I guess it's stuck.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Now,
Now cancel this connection and put it in the in the new switch. Not from here. Not from here, dear. Not from here. Not from here.
okay.
Not from here. Take a cable. Yes, from this one to the PC. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Can you maximize your tracer, please? Yeah. Yeah. Now it's fine. Okay. Now just take also connection from the router to the switch, to the new switch.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then, all right. Fine. Gateway is like this. Yes. God, you don't need to come here. You don't need to come here. Leave this. Only make the configuration on routers and PCs.
Okay. So for PC, the IP is this
Okay.
56.12 and gateway is 8.96.
Perfect. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Perfect.
So,
Go to another one. Just show me
so
a
here,
yeah. Show me IP address. Yeah. Perfect. No good. Go to another PC. Go to other PC. Yeah. Now here is like this. IP address is 172.16.8.24 and gateway is 172.16. Dot. Okay, fine. That's perfect. Now you can ping normally. Everything is
okay.
fine now. Twenty-four. This is 12. Yes, 12. Exactly. Yeah, it's up. Fine. Perfect. Now we have seen a good job from two guys. What about the rest?
Okay,
Now
thank
you are
you,
done.
Brian.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Arfat. What about others?
We are
So
looking to
I'm
that.
creating it now because my laptop had rebooted.
Sir,
So I'm
understood.
creating it now.
Share your screen.
Share your screen, please.
Sure.
Who all have completed?
Kev, I think Kev. Who just showed me his network? Kev and what the other? Who's the other guy?
I am, and maybe Arafat or Cap.
Two guys showed me just.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay. Arfat, you're done, right?
Arfat is done and Kev is done also.
Yes, sir.
Ritik. Ritik is also done.
Ritik not yet.
Ritik.
Yes, sir, I have done. I have the first one who have showed the screen.
Okay, okay, you are the first one who showed me. Okay, sorry, sorry.
Sanjay,
Then,
you share.
then Sanjay and Arfat, you did not show me.
Yes. Now just give me 1 minute. I was actually connected from. I was using Teams from my mobile, so I'm just joining the call from my laptop right now. Just give me 1 minute.
All right.
What about Arfat?
Yes, Ibrahim, I just shared my screen. I'm done.
Okay, then only two guys showed me their screen actually.
Yes, I think Ritik and me,
Okay,
we
Ritik and
both
you.
shared the screen, and
Then Cave, yeah, Cave. Cave did not show us.
Kev, share your screen.
I think Cave is away.
Kev, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there. Sir, I don't have
Share
that
your
app.
screen.
I'm downloading that.
Can you share your screen, Kev?
Sir, actually, I don't have that app. Cisco app.
Listen.
I didn't get you. Your voice is not clear, brother.
No, I don't have that app. Cisco app. I'm downloading that app.
I didn't get you. I didn't get you.
केफ आपका आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा आज क्या बात है
But he has said he hasn't got the Cisco app. He is downloading right now.
अच्छा हो
Sir, I am downloading that app, but I understood how to do that.
डाउनलोड हो गया ना आपका ऐप या
No, sir.
आपका आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रहा है लेकिन आज क्या बात है हम्म
वो इधर ही हम ऐड डेवलपमेंट सीख लेते हैं। ठीक है, अभी बस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं। 12th भी कंप्लीट है और वो 11 मार्क्स 10 से या 9 से आ रहे हैं। अभी 12th भी कंप्लीट है, वहाँ हर ऐप बनाना है। एक अच्छे लोग स्टार्टिंग से ही सीख रहे हैं। एक तो स्टूडेंट था 9वीं से इधर आ रहा था 12वीं तक स्टार्टिंग में हमने आईटी मतलब आईसीटी इसको एक सब्जेक्ट वो पढ़ता था। फिर उसके बाद उसने एचटीएमएल सीखा, सीएसएस सीखा, फिर उसने पाइथन डीजैक और एसक्यूएल सीएसएस के स्टाइल ऐसे एक वेब पेज है ना, वेब पेज पे जो भी स्टाइलिंग का कलर जो भी स्टाइल का काम है वो सब सीएसएस
Okay, Sanjay, are you done? What?
Yes, Manoj, let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've already completed one side of the switch, just completing the second one now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't use 14, use 17 because 14 is public IP. Private range is what's from 16 to 31, right? Yeah. You can use 17 perhaps. Hmm. You can use other range, but it's not allowed, you know.
When your PC or your device connected to internet, then problem will happen.
Yeah, it will give problems.
Yeah.
So we have seen class A, class B, class C networks today, right? And the default subnet mask.
Yeah.
What it is, and which addresses we can use for private network, right?
Yeah.
So those addresses are free to use.
Hmm.
Always, whenever you go any network, you'll find only these addresses.
Yeah.
Always you'll find these addresses being used.
Yes.
Okay, Arafat, getting?
Yes, sir. I think your IP is 172.19, right? For the left side connection.
Yeah, I think for
What you can do is like you can go to
gateway.
the computer and you can copy the IP address.
Yeah, correct.
Just copy the IP and default gateway as well. So we can do like, from clipboard, you can paste it over there.
See.
So default gateway, you have set 172.19.
Yeah, I was a little confused about whether that would work.
So I think the default gateway should, the set path should match with the IP address, right? 172.16 it should be instead of 19.
So 16
16.
point
Yeah,
one.
that's okay. Now just
Okay.
copy the IP address and the default gateway as well. Close this. Go to the router interface 1.
Plus, mm,
I think you need to make a little changes to the IP. Just change it from 18 to 19 and 4 to 5, something like that. Over here, yeah.
only for this. Okay.
Yes.
Mm,
19.5. Yes, that's okay. Close this.
Now,
Second one we will check. Okay. IP is copy the IP address and the default gateway. You need to set it 192.17. Remove 19 and do
correct.
17 point.
Mm, three,
Yeah,
okay.
So we have the IP, we have the gateway. Okay. Now go back to the router.
They cannot hear me. Okay.
Ethernet, and yeah, paste the IP. Change it a little. Uh, 2.2. Put in 2.2. Yeah. Okay. Now close it. So 172.17, right? Go to the second switch.
Mm,
Yes. 172.17. Go to fast ethernet. Yep. Config fast ethernet 1 just below the interface. Okay, we turned on. Okay, I think we are good to go. This is turned on. Yep, you can
so you
close it.
can try the ping, right?
Yeah, I think it is set now. You can try pinging. See connections turning green.
Just have to
172.17.2.2 was the IP, right?
yeah,
I'm
17.
not wrong.
Yeah, correct. Let me check.
Wait for it. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, request timeout. There is something
Yeah,
wrong.
You
yes,
can check the IP address for the second network,
for the
what is set for
second.
the computer. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. I think here it was
Oh, 1.2.
17.1.1,
Okay, okay.
17.1.1. So we are trying to pin this one to the other one.
Correct.
So yeah. Mm. 17.
Hmm.
I think I'll
Okay.
check all the computers once they.
Listen up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Listen up. Just can you put the cursor on the router just to show the details of routers, what IP address you have given?
Mhm.
Just only put it. No, don't click on it. Only put
Mhm.
it. Only just it will show the details of. Go. Close this.
Okay.
Close it.
Okay. Just to.
Power your
Just
mouse.
yeah. Okay. This
Mm,
is if you see here. Fast Ethernet 0/0 is 172.16.19.5, right?
yeah.
Right? So have you give this to the PC0 and PC1 as a gateway? Have you give
Yes,
this
and
IP address like
yeah, I'll have to check
go
that.
and
Let
check
me.
please.
Yes.
16
So
16.19.5.
16 or 19 or
Open.
5. Yeah, because I think that's the. Okay, this is
Yeah.
blank. Strange.
Yeah. Oh, see all is
Mm,
flushed away. Just go again, put the IP address.
You can put something else. 172.16.4.4, something like that.
mhm.
And in the gateway, it was 16 dot.
Let's
I
check.
think 19.5. Go and check again.
Yes.
16. Close this. Go and check again the router IP address. Yes,
16.19.5.
16.19.5. Okay. Now put this as the default gateway on a PC0 and PC1. 16.19.5. Go to PC0, the first PC.
19.
Yeah, now this make it 16.19.5 plus, yes. Yeah, right. Go to other PC also. PC1, yeah. 16.19.5. Yeah, correct. Now go check another network, do the same thing. But check first of all, check the IP address of the fast Ethernet
Yes.
0/1.
17.2.2.
2.2. Okay.
17.2.2.
Yeah, it
Yep.
should be.
Yes, fine. Got other PC also. Yes, fine. Now you ping. Just check it out now.
Just quickly check the IP address. This one.
Go to PC 0, please.
17.1.1. 17.1. Should work this time.
It will come up. Yes, now it's
Yes,
up.
It's working now. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, understood now. The gateway it's supposed to be how?
Has
Yeah.
to match
It
the.
needs to match with the IP of router.
Yeah, of router. Exactly.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine. You are done.
Perfect.
Now,
Mhm.
I think only one guy remaining. What about you, my friend? The
Uh,
last one.
I think KF is still downloading the application.
Okay. Okay, if you're not done yet, yeah?
Suppose that the problem is downloading. I have left her on the team. Will be free tomorrow on the class. Okay. Hello.
Yes, Kev. Actually, your voice not that much clear, you know. Can you just make something to it?
I have some problem in downloading.
Okay.
Actually, his laptop is not working properly.
Hmm.
You have to
How
do
do
it
you
from the
know tomorrow?
office,
Hmm.
not download it properly.
Yeah.
Is this working now for Sanjay?
Yeah, Sanjay, Ritik, all are done.
Sanjay is done.
Yeah, Sanjay also done.
Sanjay, have you understood the concept? Sanjay?
Yes, Manoj. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, the router IP, router has got two
Has to
IP.
match. Yes. Yeah. I
It
think.
should
I
be
think
having
since I.
same network part as the networks are router.
Yeah. Correct. I think I lost practice since I have not practiced in the last couple of weeks. So I think I forgot that. Yeah.
Practice is must.
Correct. I got the concept now. Yeah.
Okay, enough for today. We'll connect tomorrow also, same time.
Sure.
Hello?
So
Sir,
5
I
to.
have a request.
Yeah, tell me.
Can we connect tomorrow at 6:30? 6:30 to 7:30?
Why so late?
Sir, actually, I need to go out for some work and I'll be back until 6:30.
Is it urgent?
Yes, sir. So if it is possible for everyone, so just checking.
6:30 to 7:30.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible for everyone, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
It's up to you, sir. Actually, it's up to you.
Sanjay, Kef and Ritik.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Manoj. No problem.
Okay. So okay,
Okay,
6:30
thank you,
sharp then.
guys.
We have to start 6:30 sharp then.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much, guys.
All right. Okay. Bye.
So I think the rest of us we can probably join by 6:15, so there's no delay. So we'll
Yeah,
be
yeah.
ready by 6:30 then.
Correct.
Sure.
Exactly.
We can do it that
Exactly.
way. Okay.
Okay, dear.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you,
See you
sir.
Thanks a
tomorrow.
lot.
Thank you,
Manoj.
everyone.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.